Here's how to deliver digital products on Etsy. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important step. First, log into your Etsy dashboard and open the product where you want to add digital files. There are 3 different ways to do this, so let's start with the first one. In this method, you can directly upload your items in the Deliver Digital Items box, just like I've done in this tutorial. However, there may be uploading problems with large files, but worry not, we have a solution for that. For the second way, you'll upload your items to any cloud storage, such as Google Drive, for example. After uploading your large items, click on the 3 dots, then the Share button. Select anyone with the link can access, and copy the link provided. When a user opens the link, they can easily download the item from the web page. Now, create a text document on your computer and paste all your files' links there. Now go back to Delivery Box and click on Upload button. Now, move to the folder where you saved that text file and simply select it to upload the file in the Delivery Box on Etsy. As for the third way, let's say you have an editable item, like a presentation designed in Canva, which the customer can edit. Most editors provide a shareable link to the project. To deliver this item, click on the Share button in your editor, then go to More Options and copy the template link. When the customer opens this link, the design will be copied to their Canva account. Just like before, paste the link in a text file and upload that file on the Etsy delivery box. And there you have it. Choose the method that works best for you and start offering your fantastic digital products to your customers.